All right, my friends, just finished up some yard work today. Yes, you can probably see my shirt. I should probably switch the camera, let you guys see me more. All right. It's a little sunny out. It's like cloudy, sunny. I think the sun's right there. Hopefully you guys can see me. See the shirt? It's drenched. It's not supposed to be different colored tone browns. Definitely got a nice little workout today, a nice little sweat from that job. But wanted to put your attention to this bad boy. You can see that nice big fat R for rejection that we got here on my Honda Pilot, which is like my everything, right? This is my personal vehicle that I use, as well as my work vehicle that I use for all of my yard work, as well as my snow removal. And so just finished up a job. This is pretty much what you can kind of expect after a job is done, pretty much. So you got the rakes and stuff, some brooms, some shovels. You got my Eagle. This is the Eagle bag right here underneath the lawnmower, or excuse me, the leaf blower. The backpack one, which is nice. I love this bad boy, Eagle. Then of course, you know, I use the Eagle bag to like hold a bunch of my tools and stuff. You can see in there that's mixed Ryobi stuff, as well as Eagle stuff. You know, my weed whacker. No, my weed whacker's out. You can see right there, weed whacker. So got a little mixture there. Obviously, we got the Eagle lawnmower here. Got my work boots, my Timberlands. These are clutch. I love these bad boys. I used to rock these back in the day, just like, you know, out of style and stuff. And then I was like, you know what? Let me convert these to my lawn landscaping boots. So those are clutch. Always using those for my yard work jobs. But yeah, I mean, you guys are getting a glimpse. The reason why that R got a rejection on this bad boy, part of the reason is because of the amount of weight that I have here in the back. So again, all this stuff you can see is in here. Usually there might be like a dolly on top of this. There might be more batteries, which there's a bag full of the big batteries in the front seat. There might be, in the winter, have my stage 2 snowblower there. Stage 1 would be up in the front there. So, you know, all of the additional weight definitely just killed the shocks. There's no, you know, when we're driving in this thing, it's like you're in a like a lowrider, or you're out in Compton and stuff, and just, you know, people think I'm like with the hydraulics jumping up and down and stuff. It's crazy. So that was like the main thing I think that failed. And then I think he said there's something about like some play in the front side over there as well. So yeah, not ideal. Of course, like I said, this is like my work vehicle now. It's getting nice out. Today was like 95 degrees out. So, you know, got to get a nice little sweat, nice little workout on. And unfortunately, we'll need this for the coming days and coming weeks. So we gotta do something about this. The question is it worthwhile to fix it up? Man, I got stuff all in my hair. That's how you know I just finished up job. I got stuff all over me. My arms, got stuff covered all over my arms. So the question is, do we want to fix up this bad boy, or do we kind of sell it as is and then jump on the Maverick, the Ford Maverick small truck? I'm thinking maybe I lease to own, so I lease it for 2 years and then I'll just buy it outright, assuming I like it. I don't know. You know, I'm a little skeptical with the truck, just because like right now I do use that back part a lot. I believe with the Ford Maverick I could get like, you know, a thing that I can pull down and have it covered, so I'll be good in that sense. It also has the back seats, which I can technically use the back seats as well. So I don't know. I have mixed thoughts, but I also can see the benefit of having the Ford Maverick. because of the moving jobs that I do. Sometimes I have a one-off moving job where it's just moving one item. So if I had the Ford Maverick, I could throw it right in the back and keep the ball rolling. The other big thing about the Ford Maverick is that it's small. So it's comparable. It's probably just a little bit bigger than this, to be honest. So I'll be able to park in the city when I'm doing jobs in Boston, and parking won't be a huge issue. It won't be a huge hassle. So that's the other thing I'm considering with this, why it's the Ford Maverick and not the, Tacoma or the Ranger, other kind of fairly small trucks as well. So I don't know. I guess I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Do I fix this up? It's probably going to cost, at least $1,000 probably between the shocks and stuff, and then again what's done up in the front. Like I said a moment ago, the main aspect of this that we need with this bad boy is that ability to have easy, simple access to everything that we have in here going on. So it's like, is it worth it? Fix this up, then as people say, drive it till the wheels fall off. My mechanic and whatnot initially was telling me don't put no more money in this, and yet here I am now about to put another $1,000+ in this. So I don't know, and the timing of my van is basically done as well. This is like the double whammy why it sucks, because it's like the timing of this going along with my cargo van. Ooh, not ideal. So let me know what you guys think. I'm curious to hear what you guys would do in my situation, knowing that the van is pretty much done. This is pretty much done. I could put money into this, keep this alive, and then go with getting a new van. I'd have to lease it, finance. I know I don't usually like to take out loans. I like to buy things outright. Hence me having a used Honda Pilot along with my cargo van, which is used as well. But now with this current market, obviously you don't want to buy used. You want to pretty much fix what you got, or make that leap to get something brand new. And I want something comfortable. I'm at a point where it's like, I want to be driving in something comfortable. This is fine, but the van aspect with my old van, yeah, I can do better with the new either the Dodge ProMaster van or the Ford Transit van instead of my Ecoline. So let me know what you guys think. I'm curious to hear what others would do in this situation. If you got an R on a car that you're using every day for work, but also for your personal needs, what would you do? Comment down below. Let me know while you're here. Also like this video, of course, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date on all of my latest and upcoming video content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.